Let's take an example of budget control for an event and let's compare it with DV360 hierarchy. Let's assume that you are organizing an event in which there are many departments that work and make the event successful. The event budget is split between various departments. Let's assume top levels are there to hold the below ones and actual budget control is at the middle of the hierarchy. In this example, let's assume you are at level 3 and received amount from above levels. Now you are at the parent level in the hierarchy and have a control of how much to distribute to child objects under you. Budget for the event is distributed to various departments like food, decorations, rental, programs, publicity, etc. And you let each department take care of and manage their staff. And finally, make the event successful. Similarly, in DV360 hierarchy, at the top levels, it helps to look at various access, permission, linking and other features and so on. Only IO and line item level takes control of the actual budget in DV360.